Hi guys, this is Steffanie. Welcome to Steffanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of Stephanie's Journey's family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that. Make sure you click the all button so you can get all the notifications for any time that I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys for stopping by. Today I have for you another Misfits box unboxing. My screenshot. They sent this to me late. I didn't get it until Monday, so I'm gonna open it up and see what we got in it. So if you're interested in seeing what I got this week, then stick around and stay tuned after I take my phone call. Okay, let's open up my box. I did order some extra stuff this week, a bunch of extra stuff. Well, not a bunch. I think I ordered like 4 or 5 items. Yet again, another package change. So let's see what is in here. Let me throw this in the sink. Okay, I ordered mushrooms extra. So I got Baby Bella, and then these are oyster mushrooms. So these are 2 of the things that I ordered extra. These are Brussels sprouts. I think I ordered these extras as well, if I'm not mistaken, but I may not have. I know I ordered them, but I can't remember. So we got some Brussels sprouts. They're nice and big Brussels sprouts too. Really nice size. And they look really good. Put those. This is persimmons. Okay. Did I order these extra or not? I don't know. But I got 1 persimmon. I think I ordered this extra too. I didn't know I was just going to get 1. But I love persimmons. Comment below and let me know if you guys eat persimmons. I freaking love them. They're so good. And they didn't have a lot of like greens to choose from this week. So I got 2 different types of cabbage. I don't remember the name of each. This one. So something with an S, I believe. But I'll link it on the screen. But I got the regular cabbage and this. So I love cabbage. I especially love cabbage and pinto beans. I got another spaghetti squash. This is very small compared to the last one I got was humongous, which was very good. So I got that. I've never had this. I think you pronounce this Jamaica. I can't pronounce it. Jamaica, whatever it is. I'll put it on the screen. I've never had it, so I'm going to look up a recipe and see how to cook it, because I just wanted to get something new to try it, to see stuff I haven't tried before, because I keep getting the same thing. I got a couple potatoes and 1 sweet potato. I don't even think I ordered sweet potatoes, but I may have. I got some apples. I think they were gala apples. What did they say? Yep, these are gala apples. I remember ordering these because I haven't ordered any apples in a while. And then I ordered some pears, and these right here are garlic pears. These 3, and this is another one of those Asian pears. It was so freaking good. So I ordered another one. I think I'm gonna go to the Asian market and get me some. They're probably way cheaper at the Asian market as opposed to the regular grocery store. So I got some more zucchini and then yellow squash. My zucchini is huge this time, and my yellow squash is really tiny. And this radish must have been an accidental throw in. So I got that, and then I got a yellow onion. So as I said, I did not get much in my box this week. A bunch of fruit mostly. Well, not two, but I didn't get a lot because they didn't have any greens to choose from. So today it is a spicy melting potato and carrots. Prep time 45 minutes. So I'll take a picture of this and put it on the screen so you guys can actually see it. And I probably have to just do that with my phone. A lot of times this don't ever show up clear. But that's that. It's recipe number 66. And I'll put on the screen, as always, everything that I got. And right now I'm just going to sit it all up here so you can see it per usual. Alright, again, recap. 2 different types of cabbages. 1 spaghetti squash, 1 JR, I don't know. That, whatever that is, it's some kind of root vegetable. Some Brussels sprouts, 1 yellow or sweet onion. I don't know if it's white or yellow, but I mean sweet or not, but it's yellow onion. 1 zucchini, 1 yellow summer squash, 1 sweet potato, 3 Bartlett pears, 1 Asian pear, 2 look like Idaho potatoes, they're very small, 3 apples, gala apples, 1 persimmon, 1 oyster mushroom, and 1 baby bella mushroom. So this is it. So once again, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.